To download Yahoo Finance 2025, start by accessing the official Yahoo Finance website or mobile app store. If you are using a computer, open a web browser and navigate to the Yahoo Finance website. If you are using a mobile device, open the App Store and search for Yahoo Finance. Once you are on the website or App Store page, click on the Download or Install button to begin the download process. You will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions of the download, so be sure to read through them carefully before proceeding. If you are using a mobile device, you may be asked to provide permission for the app to access certain features of your device, such as your location or contacts. Review the requested permissions carefully and only grant access to the features that you are comfortable with. After the download is complete, click on the Install button to install the Yahoo Finance app on your device. The installation process should only take a few seconds, and once it is complete, you can launch the app and start using it. To use the Yahoo Finance app, you will need to create a Yahoo account or sign in with an existing one. This will give you access to a range of features, including real-time stock quotes, news, and market data. You can also customize the app to track your favorite stocks and receive alerts and notifications. In addition to the basic features, the Yahoo Finance app also offers a range of advanced tools and features, including charts, analysis, and portfolio management. You can use these tools to track your investments, make informed decisions, and stay up to date with the latest market trends. To get the most out of the Yahoo Finance app, be sure to explore all of the available features and tools. You can also customize the app to meet your specific needs and preferences, and use it in conjunction with other financial tools and resources to stay informed and in control of your finances. Overall, downloading and using the Yahoo Finance app is a simple and straightforward process that can help you stay informed and up to date with the latest financial news and market trends. By following these steps and taking advantage of the app's features and tools, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals.